of the best. We are now going to invite one of our beautiful maidens here to bring the ball forward. They are going to pick a number. The number will correspond to the order of performance. And Faranico picks first. Let's see. What do we have here? Number 3, he'll perform in number 3. In the number 3 spot, Mikaela in the number 2 spot, and Matuni Bayaula will perform first. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it again for our